So an even deeper dive into our finances, we're actually losing money on low cost orders on Shopify simply because I didn't factor in rent, bills, internet, electricity, water, all these types of new costs that we now incur by being in this office. Overall, per order, it works out as between £4.10 and £4.92 in costs of overheads per order. We need to be making nearly £5 on an order in order to make profit. Then you've got on top of that the cost of materials and packaging and shipping and all of that kind of stuff. With this new information, we asked ChatGPT based on our lowest profit margins, which are things like magnets, vinyl sticker paper. With our profit margins from those types of things, plus the average cost of, say, the box and leaflets and marketing materials, to make a small amount of profit, we would need £11 order value. And we took that figure, put it into the Shopify AI and said, how many orders over the last 365 days were below £11 compared to the total amount of orders? And we had 606 orders, under £11. I then asked ChatGPT with this information, how much money would be losing by selling these orders, the 186 orders. And essentially it says that you're now losing £100 every 3 months from low value orders. So it's not just minor losses. This is literal structural drag as we scale. So we've gone ahead and downloaded this app called Easy Checkout Controller, and it allows you to set up delivery rules, payment rules, and checkout validations. What that means is that we can set a minimum purchase order of, say, £15 for the UK. It will simply come up with this error message at the top of the checkout, which says our minimum order is a threshold of £15. This helps us to, keep sustainable. Thank you for supporting our small business, but this is what you must do in order to check out. This will essentially make sure that every single order that comes through the website is over that £11 break even point, and we are making money on every order, which I think is the most financially stable thing to do for our business. We also had to set up a £25 minimum threshold for international orders because Shopify also charges a 2% conversion fee on top of that 2% plus 25p of charges in general. Essentially, I think this will bring our company into a higher level of profitability and ultimately enable us to serve our customers better for the future.